We're here in the Galleria area off of Augusta, near San Felipe. In the Galleria area, just west of the Galleria, over in this area. Zip code 77057. There's a queen palm tree over there. So kind of a red brick. We're here. Ooh, look at this squirrel on the roof. Now this is cool. Where is he? There he is. There you go. He's running. We're here on the roof with this unit here. I got some issues. It's not coming on, for one thing. It's not coming on. I'm helping a co-worker out here today. I was sent on the ladder assignment. That's one of the vehicles. That's his vehicle here. That's the ladder. Mine is around the corner over here. Yeah. Yeah, there go mine. That's my vehicle over here. Yeah, it looks nice in here. It looks pretty nice. Kind of vegetation and all.